Hello! Today we are going to sew a beautiful and elegant pouch with the lace that's properly inserted for a clean, stylish finish. This simple but powerful skill will help you to grow your sewing confidence and expand your knowledge for future projects. I hope you already made your classic pouch and decorative pouch. They've helped prepare you for your next step in your sewing journey and sharpen your attention to details. Here is our pattern. Please print all the pieces and choose the size you want to make first. Collect all the materials you need. I'm using pure cotton, a matching zipper and a lace that I really love. I'm not too worried about the width. I'll join pieces together to get the width I need. For larger sizes, I'll join even 3 pieces. Follow the pattern and cut the number of pieces it specifies. Iron all the pieces and add interfacing. Please follow the instructions from your fusible interfacing. I'm using medium weight here. Please fold those edges and iron them. Sew along this edge with the zigzag stitch. Repeat here too. Now fold the edges you just saw and top stitch them. Lay out your main pieces like this to check how much space you have for the lace. Remember, it's totally up to you. You can sew it closer to the edge or a little farther in. I'm joining my lace in the middle because I love the look. It's easy to do and so cute. Now check how it looks and decide exactly where you want to clip and stitch it. One side is done. Okay, I really love it. Let's repeat it on the other side. I think this is my absolute favorite pouch I've ever made. So pretty. Okay, we've made the tabs a few times now, so here is just a quick reminder. Iron and cut the tab like this. Fold it like that and press. Repeat for the second one. Now decide how you want the tabs to look on the finished pouch. Measure how wide you want your zipper to be and mark it on the zip. Sew at the mark points, but don't forget to move the pull to the middle. Add the tabs you prepared earlier. Repeat on the other side. Make sure everything is lined up in the center of the fabric. Now layer the pieces like that. Main fabric up, zipper down, lining down. Clip it very securely in place. Now sew slowly and carefully with the straight stitch. And now top stitch. Now for the other side. Main fabric up, zipper down, lining down. Clip securely, sew with the straight stitch and top stitch again. Take a closer look. Now top stitch along the bottom of the main piece, all the way across. Sew the lining pieces the same way, but leave an opening. It should look like this now. Match this point as best as you can. Pull the main fabric down and clip it securely. Sew with the straight stitch and repeat on the other side. Now please trim any loose threads and extra bits. Like that, and clip it securely. We are almost done, just turn it right side out. And close the opening. You can hand sew it or use your sewing machine. Now give it a really good press with your iron. I think this pouch is perfect for a gift for someone who loves a feminine, elegant style. It is so sweet. Take a moment to check out the 2 previous pouches in this series. You're becoming a true pouch making pro, and those skills will prepare you to make beautiful bags in the future. And that's our elegant pouch complete. From the lace details to the soft curves, this design is all about adding charm and style to your handmade creations. Don't forget, this is a pouch number 3 out of 4, and each one builds your confidence and sewing skills step by step. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more creative patterns. Until the next time, and happy sewing!